Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. As the title suggests, in today's video I'm going to share with you all my Nykaa Holi sale haul. Now I have one Nykaa Holi sale haul already up on my channel. In case you have missed watching that one, link will be in the description box down below or towards the end of the video somewhere on the screen. I love watching haul videos and I also love making haul videos, and if they are makeup and beauty related, they catches my interest even more. So I had no intentions to buy more makeup during this Holi sale because I've already got a lot of makeup as you must have seen in the previous haul video. But since I love makeup so much, every day I was just convincing myself that I will not place any more order. But then, some or the other pop-up used to pop that a particular brand is on 30% off or flat 50 or something like that, and I have placed 4 different orders. I never place an order with like 5,000 rupees in one go. I always place orders of 2,000 or maximum 2,500, and then I place small orders, but eventually I end up spending a lot of money, which is not a good thing. But since I wanted few products and they were on off, so I just picked it up. I'm just convincing myself that I want these products, but that's not the truth actually. But yeah, enough of blabbering. Let's just jump into the video and see what all I got during the Nykaa sale. Starting with the first product, I have picked 2 lipsticks from Maybelline, and these are the Maybelline the Loaded Bolds by Color Sensational. This is how the outer packaging looks like. It's blue in color and you have the color coding right at the bottom. I've picked 2 shades, and the first one is 11. This is Raspberry Rendezvous, and they were on flat 50% off, so I thought to just pick it up. They retail for 450 rupees each, but I got it for just 225 rupees, and that's the reason I bought it. And this is how it looks. It's a very beautiful raspberry color. It's like a bright color, and it will look really nice on fair to medium skin tone especially. And I would like to swatch it for you all. See how beautiful the color is. I am also wearing the same color, but I have like put loose powder on it, and also I have put tissue on it, so I think the color is not looking as bright as on my hand, but this is the color that I'm wearing. And the other one I got is a dark color. This is in the shade 15 called Berry Boss, and this is, as the name suggests, it's a berry tone color, and this is how the swatch of it. It's a very beautiful color. It's a deep color. Now I don't like to wear such deep or dark colors, but yeah, maybe once or twice I can wear it, depending like if I create a look or something. But I'm thinking to give it to my mom because these colors are every mom's favorite, like the deep berry tone or the maroon tone. So I think I'll give this to my mom. And they had an amazing offer. The product wasn't 50% off, but if the offer was, if you buy any Maybelline product, be it of any price, you'll get 1 sheet mask from Garnier free. So this is the Garnier serum mask. I have never tried Garnier's serum mask, but I got it for free along with the lipsticks. So yeah, that was an amazing deal. I just paid 450 rupees, got 2 lipsticks, and also got this sheet mask free. Moving further with the haul, I have picked 4 products from Nykaa Cosmetics itself. So on the last day, Nykaa had the offer, if you buy 3 you get 1 product free, and that's the offer that I've availed. I think on the first day they had the same offer, and I've picked my contour blush and foundation. You must have seen in my previous video, but this time again I picked that offer, and that offer is really amazing because on Nykaa products generally they don't give any offer. It's hardly 5% on 10%, and that too on very restricted shade or numbers and names. So as soon as I saw this offer, I just picked it up. So these are the 4 products that I got, and I was meaning to buy these 2 products specially, and they were not on off. I checked it multiple times, so I thought might as well to pick it in offer because any which ways I was going to buy this from the store. So I've picked this Nykaa Glamour Eyes, and these are the eye pencils, like your eyeliner, kajal. You can use it in both ways. I've picked 2 shades. As you can see, they are the color coded packaging. One is the blue and the other one is green. Now this blue one really caught my attention. I tried this in the store. So this is how it looks. I will swatch it for you all, and the name is Blue Hex 01. It's a very nice blue, like a very bright blue color. I have few blue eyeliners, but I don't have this bright blue color, so I was really interested in buying this one. And the other one I got is in the shade Emerald Wand 09, and this is a green eyeliner. This is how it looks. Both are very creamy, super soft, and they have good pigmentation as well. Both retails for 450 rupees each. And then the other two products I got are the Nykaa's Lip Don't Lie lip liner. I have one lip liner from them already, and that's in the shade Loverboy. That's a red color. I've already reviewed these lip liners. If you want to watch that review, I will be linking it in the description box down below. And this time I've picked two shades because normally I don't apply lip liners. I always apply liners if I'm wearing a very dark color, but now I've realized that with lip liner your lip shape looks really nice. So I thought to, you know, add few colors to my collection, and I've picked these two. They each retail for 350 rupees, and this is in the shade Pillow Fight. They are very creamy, super soft, highly pigmented. You can also fill your entire lips with this, and it can be used as a lipstick as well. It's a very nice brownie nude color. Absolutely love this color, and it will look really nice if I apply it as a whole, like as in itself. And the other one I got is in the shade Dirty Secret. Again, both of these are really famous shades of lip liners, and that's why I picked it up. This is a very nice pinky nude color, and the formula is so nice. See how creamy it is. So these retails for 350 rupees each, and I've paid for two liners and for one lip liner, and got one lip liner free. So I saved 350 rupees on this entire purchase. Moving on, I have picked one more lipstick, and this is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. This is in the shade Sao Polo, and like I mentioned before as well, I really love the formula of this lipstick. It's so soft and yet it's matte, and also the color pigmentation is nice, and the color range is also very nice. I bought this one, and I think now I have 5 in total shades of these soft matte lip creams. This is how the shade looks like. It's a very nice pink color, like a mauvey pink color, and since the formula is so nice and the color will look really nice in the summer weather, it's your like everyday pink color, and I absolutely love this one. This retails for 600 rupees. I got it on 25% off, so I just paid 450 for this one. The next product is a very random purchase of mine. I've seen this product in one of the haul videos of a YouTuber, and this is the Vadi Herbal Nail and Cuticle Oil, and this is how the outer packaging looks like. I really found this product very interesting, and that's the reason I picked it up. This is how the actual product looks like, and this is basically your nail and cuticle oil. It comes in a roll-on tube like this, so the application is really nice, and you just need to apply it on your cuticles, and it smells really nice. It smells like you are in a spa. It has a very citrusy smell, and you know, a very nice aroma like you have when you go for a spa. So I really like the smell of it. I haven't started using it, so I cannot comment much about it, but it was so affordable, so even if it doesn't work, it will not bother me. But I think the product will work because I have heard, since I bought it, I've heard good reviews. I just checked it online, and this retails for 70 rupees, and I got it for 63 rupees only. If a 63 rupees product will soften up my cuticles and everything, what else I need? Like, this is an amazing buy then. Up next, I've restocked my favorite makeup remover wipes, and these are the Colorbar On The Go makeup remover wipes. You get 30 wipes in this. I absolutely love this product. The packaging is so cute, and also I just need one wipe to take out my entire makeup. And yeah, it's very handy. It's travel friendly as well. I'm traveling in next 10 days, so I was like running out of my wipes. I just finished one package, so I thought to restock this one. And also it's really nice. It just retails for 200 rupees, and I got it for 150 rupees only. Moving further, I've picked this Gillette Venus razor. Nothing fancy about it. It's a razor. I love to shave my body, and the razor that I'm currently using is on its verge of dying, so I want to discard it. So any which ways, I was planning to buy this one from a local pharmacy, and there I would have paid the full price, but on Nykaa it was on off. So this retails for 220 rupees and I paid 176 for this one. Moving towards the second last product of the haul, I've picked this Neutrogena Deep Clean Blackhead Eliminating Daily Scrub. It's a mouthful. This is how the packaging looks like. I've picked a smaller pack because I just wanted to try this product. I don't have blackheads, but I have little bit of whiteheads, so I think I'll use this one. This is a 40-gram product and it retails for 140 rupees and I've paid I think 110 rupees for this one. The last product of this haul is something that I would highly recommend to everyone for hygienic safety, and the product that I'm talking about is T-Save. It is a toilet seat sanitizer spray. This is how it looks. It retails for 120 rupees and I got it for just 100 rupees. It's very small, so it's nice. You can just throw it into your purse and you are good to go. We all use public toilets on daily basis because we are out of our house most of the time. So at that time it comes really handy. You just spray it onto the toilet seat and the seat is ready to use. In this way you also avoid any infection, so it's really nice. I would highly recommend it to all. Just try it. It's just for 100 rupees. You should definitely buy this product. So that's all for this haul video. I hope you really enjoyed watching this one, and do let me know in the comment section below if you have also shopped crazy like me and what all you have got and what's your favorite product, and if in case you like any of the product that I've shown you in this haul, do let me know in the comment section down below. And before leaving this video, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, be a part of my virtual fam, help me grow this community more, and I shall see you all in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Thanks for watching. Mwah.